Alright guys, I'm finally back. I got it off for like the 8th time, and dude, I had to get a high schooler to help me. That's how hard it was. And don't be like, you're just weak as crap. So I'm not. Alright. Both bearings out on this wheel. Both bearings out on this wheel. So I have all 4 out, and now it's time to open up the reds. Alright, I've never opened up a pack of reds. I always had it done at the skate shop. So yeah. Ooh. I've gotten really used to reds. These are really nice, I think. I think these are one of the best, well, probably they are the best types of bearings. Hey, I got some stickers along with these stickers, but ooh, check out these babies. Going into these wheels, they're the bearings. Oh, here are the 3 stickers. SpongeBob. I think I've showed you, yeah. Alright, so I have to do this really quick, so I'm gonna dump them out. Oh dang, those are illy. No, I mean like, those are pretty sick. So 2. I usually put my wheels on the inside. Whoops, my bad. Ooh, these are smooth. Check out these. There's 1. I'm going to keep my wheels on the inside. There's 2. There's 3. And there is 4. Alright, now that I've got those on, got a new sticker. Now I gotta do all of this all over again. Oh, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do my trucks one by one. Don't judge me. No, I'm kidding. Oh crap. Alright, the battery's about to run out again, so no wait, yeah, kind of. Alright, so I gotta go when it shuts off, so just be prepared when it shuts off. Alright, so yeah, I'm not gonna really talk. It's just gonna shut off when it shuts off, dog, so. Alright, that was my first truck done. if I'm gonna get footage tomorrow at Woodward, because I don't even know if I think I'm just might be getting dropped off, but besides that fact, yeah. Last one. Alright, there we go. Done with that. Now it's time to put on the wheels. I think I'm going to actually put them on this way. I don't know why. I'm feeling good. But, yeah. And then if this shuts off again, I'm going to come back on. I don't do a cross because I just don't, but these wheels shake. I don't like that. No, I'm kidding. The battery's just about to die. I don't know why it's not dying. One truck done. We got the reds up in here, Bones Reds. And then I'm gonna put stickers on. I remember the last video, I forgot to put stickers on. Stupid me. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, it's about to shut off now, but so last one. Then it's time for stickers. Alright, I'm done with that. Now it's time for stickers. I'm gonna put the reds on first. Where is the reds? What happened to my reds? Right here. Just putting the other bearings right in here. These are trash. And reds will go somewhere. Reds can go right here. Ooh, that didn't turn out really good. It's peeling wrong. So I got one reds. Now it's time for the DGK. You know, you gotta love DGK. If you ain't a DGK, you a DG retard. What? Does that make any sense? I'm gonna put it right here. Wait. I don't care. I'm putting that one right here. Alright, I got two more left. I think I'm gonna put the SpongeBob one over here. It's the gold. Let's go SpongeBob. And then my last one is going to be right here. Oh man, his face is going to be blown up. Well, like, you know what I'm saying. Why are stickers so hard to peel? Why can't they give you like an easy lifter? Then you can like, just like, kind of like, get on with your life. Alright, there we go. This is my finished product of the board. Now we gotta do, just put the colors down. I always put colors in my back wheels, and I got these 4 colors today. Right? Yeah, I'll do it this way, I guess. I don't care. Wait. I don't care. I'm doing it on this side. So the first one, let's see if I can do it right here. It's in my crotch. So we got a gold one. Got a silver one. We got a green one. Oh, you can't see that crap. What about the red one? Can you see that? Nope. So I guess we'll just put a gold up here. And a silver down there. Alright, so this is the finished product of the board. That's my board. Oh, and those are my Jordans. Alright, this is skating, and peace.